I'll be very straight to the point in this video. I'm sure that you're in while we're here. You're looking to apply to a university in Hungary, you've gotten your admission offer, and you like to book an appointment to the embassy on the embassy's website. I'm going to show you how to do it yourself without paying anyone. So first things first, I'll put the link in the description of this video. Just check it there. Come with me, let me show you how to get it done. You would see the website here. It's the online appointment booking for consular services. Now, if you're going for a study visa, you need to understand there's a particular thing you're going to select. I'm going to show you what to select later in this video, so try to watch to the end of the video. So I'm on the website right now. It said, please select a consulate. So you click select location and you search based on what country you apply from. If you apply from Nigeria, there's only one embassy in Nigeria as of now, and it's the Abuja embassy. Just click it. Good. It's going to show you here, Nigeria, Abuja embassy. Now, application, select type of application. Make sure you do not make this mistake, depending on what type of application you want to select. But if you're going for a study visa, that is, you'd stay there for more than 6 months, you should select the visa application, long-term residence permit D. Remember that there's also an application form that you have to fill for this residence permit as well. So you click save. Now you scroll down, you put your name. So in case my name is Pascal Olaleya, okay. My date of birth, I'm just going to put 7th of July, 1999. My phone number, I don't know what number to put actually. And then the email address. Okay. Just enter your email address. Now, passport number. Just click I have read and acknowledge the information. I've given my consent, and here you select your dates. So we'll see the dates that are available for Nigerians at the embassy. Okay, so we've got a date on November. If you're going for September intake, this is going to be very difficult for you because it's very easy to book an appointment. So anyone can come in to book, even if they have no plans to go to Hungary. So right now, there's no dates close to September. If, for instance, now you have plans to resume in September, but you do not have the dates available in September, you could send me an email, pascalineurope@gmail.com, and I will see if I can help you to get the dates earlier. Now, I'll just continue to validation, and so it's going to show us some stuff. The consulate, the text, the application, the date. It's on Thursday by 12:30. The name is Pascal, date of birth, and all of that. And I click complete booking. I'll receive a mail with all the details basically. Please note that we've registered your booking with the following data, and I've sent a confirmation notice to the email you provided. Now, if I want to modify the email, we want to cancel it. It will cancel the booking. If I want to modify the booking, I can still do that here. Now, I'll go to my email, okay, and I'm going to check. Just stay with me. Yeah. So they've sent an email to me setting my embassy appointments and all of that. And it also has the form as well for visa application, which, like I said earlier, like if you want me to make a video explaining how to fill out the form, just let me know. Just drop a comment in the comment section, tell me, Pascal, make a video about this, and I'll make a video of that. That's it. Actually, that's like a very short summary on how to book your visa. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you found the video helpful, just click the like button so that other people that are needing this information as well could easily come across the video. And if you have any question about the visa application process to go to Hungary, you can always send me an email, pascalineurope@gmail.com. I'm going to help you as well. And of course, if you want an earlier appointment date, I cannot promise you, but you can send me an email and I can see if I can help you with that. That's it for today's video. See you in the next video.